In people with cancer, angiogenesis is a process that supports tumor growth, and electrolyte-reduced water inhibits it. It downregulates one of the enzymes or growth factors involved in the process in which cancer cells become bigger. Therefore, it effectively helps prevent the growth of cancer in the body. Electrolyte-reduced water also helps put the brakes on cancer metastasis. It stops cancer cells from spreading. In this case, it prevents another enzyme, this one called MMP, from doing its job, something which plays an important role in malignant tumor growth. Molecular hydrogen inhibits colorectal cancer, or CRC as it's called. It suppresses the generation of cancer cell lines and reduces their size in both volume and weight. It also points out that further studies are warranted to study how hydrogen might work in other ways to help hinder the spread of cancer. Electrolyte-reduced water is a very effective neuroprotector, and it does this by taking out, in the brain, the reactive molecular species that leads to oxidative stress in the brain, and ultimately leads to things like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, aging, sickness, and disease. Electrolyte-reduced water has an anti-diabetic effect in humans in the form of improved blood glucose control and enhanced insulin sensitivity and release. Electrolyte-reduced water is very effective at removing pesticides from food. And this study only proves what I'm showing you here, which is something that I do each evening. The family and I have vegetables for dinner. It's incredibly easy, and it doesn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. You simply press a button on your Enagic ionizer, and a different type of electrolyzed water comes out. In this case, a very alkaline pH of 11.5. It removes the pesticides from your food, as evidenced by the almost urine color of the water after only 12 minutes. It also removes pesticides from organic products too, by the way. However, that's apparently more natural pesticides that are used. The study also points out that it's not the color of the vegetables that comes off in the water, it's the chemicals. Atrazine, chlorpyrrose, something called 2,4-D, and permethrin. You can look up what these pesticides are linked to health-wise. It's certainly nothing that you want to expose your family to ever, never mind consistently. And the last study I'm going to share is from 2016, and I think it's notable for a few reasons. I mean, it's not unique to this study that molecular hydrogen is therapeutic, that it helps heal and restore health. What is worth highlighting is that the conclusions of this study are more open-ended, hinting that the health benefits go beyond the scope of the study, about how molecular hydrogen is a promising option for a variety of diseases, and how it might be an innovative approach for a strategy for people who have suffered a stroke, for example. It's also noticeable because, according to the study, with regards to actually applying these results and trying to help people who have health issues today and who might benefit, the next steps are to do nothing, to tell nobody, apart from the